Welcome to another beautiful afternoon at the river house. It's a little blustery, so I'm shooting it in the truck again. It is that time of year, and I'm out here to try a new idea. I'm not very confident, but we're gonna see. I got the skill saw with a diamond blade, and I want to see if I cut a few slices in the rock, if I can inspire that super hard bit to maybe crack the straight and narrow. As I said, I really don't expect it to work, but I gotta try. And yeah, I know just how hard this is. It's gonna be on the saw. Yeah, it's an old Black & Decker worm drive, so I think it'll handle it. I think it'll take the abuse. But I know that my grandfather wouldn't have thought twice, but I'm thinking a little bit twice. But then, as I pointed out to the wife, if I wreck this thing, it'll give me an excuse to buy some of them really cool lightweight battery skill saws. No, it obviously ain't working. I found a softer spot on the other side, and I tried to develop that to maybe give myself enough room to break rock. Even with room, it won't break off. I won't say that it's hard. I don't think it's particularly hard. I just think it's I don't know, stretchy, coarse grained. There are places when I'm pounding over there, I can feel it under my feet. Usually that's how I know I've got a crack, is I'll feel it vibrating through the soles of my boots. And I've got a few spots now where I can feel that deep underground, as if I got a crack, but I can't get it to the surface. And there's large parts, like when I hammer it along the line that I cut, I can't feel anything. My foot will be 12 inches away, and I can't feel anything. It's literally pounding on the planet. So I'll check my Google searches or Google alerts for hydraulic hose, and I'm sure a higher quality jackhammer would hit harder, But it's got to hit a lot harder, right? I mean, if I'm gonna run an air compressor and have it delivered out here, or go get it myself, and, you know, a big Ingersoll Rand has got to hit more than 3 or 4 times as hard. It's got to hit way harder than that. Otherwise, this one would do it, just slowly. That spot we're working is above the level of where I want the top of my foundation to be. Well, there are no building codes out here. I can set the house directly on the rock, just pin it to the rock. Lord knows it ain't going anywhere. It would never pass the codes, but like I said, I don't have any. It's not like it's unsafe. It's just unusual. Or we make the house smaller, or we raise it higher, the whole thing. Come up higher. That's what we're trying to avoid. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go. The kid is bored out his gourd, so I'm gonna go see if I can get the old Honda 50, my old Honda 50 from when I was his age. I'm gonna go see if I can get it started. My brother says it's got some pretty low compression now, and they had to pull start it for his kids. So I got a hill. I got a hill and ether. We'll see if we can get it started, and then you know, maybe consider rebuilding it if he's into it. If he's not into it, then he's not into it. Thanks for watching.